In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Regions Bank, assessing if it's worth banking with them. Let's dive into the strengths and weaknesses so you can decide if it aligns with your banking needs. First, we explore some of the key strengths of Regions Bank. One of their standout features is their excellent customer satisfaction. Regions Bank has earned top accolades for its customer service, achieving the #1 spot among traditional banks in the 2025 American Customer Satisfaction Index finance, and insurance study. This is a clear testament to the positive experiences many customers have enjoyed with their services. Another significant strength is the online banking experience offered by Regions Bank. According to the J.D. Power 2024 U.S. Online Banking Satisfaction Study, the bank ranks highest among regional banks thanks to its robust digital platform. Whether you're someone who prefers handling transactions on the go or frequently manages finances online, this can be a major benefit. For those who appreciate rewards, Regions Bank offers a checking account rewards program and an annual 1% savings account bonus. This is particularly appealing to customers who value bank loyalty and are looking to maximize their banking benefits. Additionally, Regions Bank has a substantial physical presence. With more than 1,400 branches and nearly 2,000 ATMs across 15 states, it provides ample opportunities for customers to access services in person, which can be a significant advantage if you prefer face-to-face interactions. Now, let's delve into some of the weaknesses and considerations you should keep in mind. One major consideration is the low interest rates. Regions Bank savings and CD rates are among the lowest in the industry, which may not be ideal for those prioritizing high returns on their deposits. Furthermore, there are concerns about high account fees. The bank has been criticized for high fees and substantial overdraft charges. In 2022, an order was issued for Regions to pay $191 million due to illegal surprise overdraft fees. This serves as a crucial point to consider, especially if you are fee conscious. There have also been customer complaints regarding unauthorized transactions and customer service issues. On the legal front, Regions Bank is currently dealing with a lawsuit filed by USAA over alleged mobile banking patent infringements. So, is Regions Bank worth it? If you find yourself within their service areas and place a high value on customer service and loyalty rewards, Regions Bank could be a solid choice for you. However, if you're seeking higher interest rates or aiming to avoid high fees, it might be worthwhile to explore other banking options. If you need suggestions for banks that offer higher interest rates or lower fees, feel free to reach out. We can always provide recommendations that suit your distinct preferences.